Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on the Soil Moisture Meter Probe, a handy tool that promises to take the guesswork out of gardening and plant care. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Soil Moisture Meter Probe? This device is designed to help you monitor the moisture levels in your soil to ensure your plants are getting the right amount of water they need to thrive. It features a 24-inch probe that allows you to reach deep into the soil, making it especially useful for larger plants and garden beds. One of the standout features of this moisture meter is its accuracy. It provides precise readings, which can help you determine whether it's time to water your plants or if they're still adequately hydrated. However, it's important to note that all types of soils may read differently, so calibration is essential before you use it. Be sure to follow the included instructions to calibrate your unit for the best results. The meter is conveniently mounted on top for easy visibility, allowing you to read the moisture levels without any awkward bending or straining. It operates on AA or dry cell batteries, which makes it easy to power up and get started right away. The brass probe adds durability and ensures that it can withstand repeated use in various soil types. So, who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a plant enthusiast, or even a beginner looking to develop your green thumb, the Soil Moisture Meter Probe is an excellent addition to your gardening toolkit. It's particularly beneficial for those with multiple plants or large garden spaces, as it helps you manage watering schedules more effectively. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you're growing vegetables in a garden, this meter can help you monitor soil moisture levels to maximize your crop yield. For houseplant lovers, it's a great way to avoid overwatering, which is one of the most common issues with indoor plants. You can also use it for potted plants, ensuring they receive just the right amount of moisture. In conclusion, the Soil Moisture Meter Probe is a reliable and user-friendly tool that can enhance your gardening experience. By providing accurate moisture readings, it helps you make informed decisions about watering, ultimately leading to healthier plants. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.